Sawubona Mzansi, and welcome to this evening's MIH Live. So once again, we're in the final stretch of deep linking. Super excited to show you the progress, and thank you so much to all of the people of Mzansi for assisting us yesterday with our QR code design. It really helped a lot when we were working on it today, and I'm super excited to show you. So remember what deep linking is. So deep linking is the concept of clicking on a link inside another application. So I like using the example of Takealot. So if someone shares the Takealot product with you over WhatsApp, what happens is you'll get the link on your side on WhatsApp. When you click on it, what happens is it then directs you into WhatsApp itself. Or not WhatsApp, directs you into Takealot itself, and then from there it'll take you to the product page. Instead of it opening up the website of Takealot, it opens up the application of Takealot. So we've enabled that. I am happy to say we've enabled that for MIH right now. So that's what we've completed. And I just want to show you. So the one thing that that I have to sort out is, so it's done on the Android side, but we need to enable it on the iOS side. I don't know if I'll do it on stream tonight. I'll just showcase things, and then we'll tweak some things also. But what I also want to do is I'll demo it in the next couple minutes, but clicking on the link, it does, when the application is completely closed, there's a bit of not a delay, but the screen goes like the color of MIH before it enters MIH. So I need to add like a splash screen of some sort into MIH for that particular section in order to do that. We can try and sort that out tonight, but might be a little bit frustrating. Not gonna lie. Shout out everyone for joining. Shout out everyone. So yeah, let's dive into it. Let's dive into it. Also, sorry for those that don't know what we are trying to achieve. So we're trying to enable QR codes inside MIH. So this will have the business's information inside there. When someone scans this QR code on their phone, whether they have MIH or not, it'll direct them into the business profile where you can either call, email, navigate, rate them, or bookmark if you are signed in already. But yeah, we're going to enable this. I'm going to show you what it looks like right now, and it's looking super cool. I like it. I love it, actually. Let's dive into things. Let's switch screens over here. What is this? Let's switch. And let's switch on this side also. Shout out to all the people on YouTube and on Twitch. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. Cool. So let me minimize this also. Minimize this. And open up MIH. Perfect. So this is what MIH currently looks like. Let's go back. So we are signed in right now to the Android version of MIH. For those that don't know what MIH is the first super app of Mzansi, and it is available on the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, and the web. And that's what we're going to be working on today. So if we head over to the business side of MIH, then we click on business profile, and you'll see at the top right hand corner there's a new QR code icon. If we click on this, it takes us to the new QR code. So if someone wants to, or if you want someone to quickly get access to your business profile, you'll be able to open up your business profile and then just show them the QR code for them to scan, and they'll be able to access it. Remember, this is just the demo version running on an Android emulator. So this is not production. So we have that over there, and also through the Mzansi directory. So the Mzansi directory is a place for you to search for people and businesses of Mzansi. And you can also filter by the business type. So let's go medical practice search. So you can see here's a medical practice here. If we click on it, it'll take you to the exact same place, a business profile, but this is for everyone else through the Mzansi directory, where you can view the different ratings this business has, and also the exact same thing, the QR code of this business, which is quite cool. Super excited. So that's the QR code part sorted now. That seems to be working fine. Now let me show you the deep linking part. So I'm going to leave MIH open on the home screen. And we are on the normal, let me show you. We are on the normal messaging app. You can see the icon over here, the standard Android messaging app. So if we click on this, and you'll see there's 3 links over here. So this is the root link that takes you into MIH. If we click on it, you'll see it opens up MIH directly, just like what Takealot does. All right, if we go back. If we head to the About section, it should automatically take us back, you see? It takes us to our About package. If we go back, and let's open up. So this is the one over here. So inside that QR code that I just showed you, this information over here will be available. This information is inside that QR code. So if we click on it, you'll see it directly takes me to the business profile. So someone will scan that QR code, this one right here, and it'll take them through to the business profile. Sawubona Jay, nice to see you here this evening. Nice to see you here. Some exciting things have been happening, Jay. Some exciting things have been happening here in MIH. Super cool. Thank you so much for the likes. I appreciate you. Vusi Musi, thank you so much for joining us. I see you out here in the live also. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. Don't be shy to dive into the chat. Say hello to everyone. What happened? Now, some cool things were happening. First, let me showcase So this is the business profile. Remember yesterday what we were doing is we were working on this design, right? So we were working on having something like this. Hello guys, hi Vusi Musi, nice to meet you here. Thank you so much Jay for the 100 likes. So yeah, we designed something like this yesterday. I think it was Prince yesterday who recommended adding the QR code button in the top right hand corner. So we did do that, and we designed something like this. We weren't too familiar or what we wanted, but something along these lines. So we can minimize this. And now this is the business profile, and you can see on the top right hand corner there is a QR code button. If we click on this, this is what the QR code looks like. But let me reload the application. Let me reload the application, and then I want to show you what it looks like while it's loading that QR code, because it's just the link. 500 likes, Jay. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. So it is loading right now. Yeah. So you see MIH is going to open, and it should take us through to, yeah, perfect. So if we head over to the exact same thing, I'm going to go to my favorite businesses now. Vusi Musi with the 100 likes. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. Nice QR code. Thank you. I'll dive deep into how I created the QR code, because it's also once again a free a free API that we used. But yeah, if we have a look and click on the QR code, so now it's going to load from fresh. If we click on it, so you see it loads and then it fades in, which is quite cool and quite nice. I do like what it looks like. So yeah, someone will scan it and that'll happen. So let me demonstrate once again what the deep linking looks like. So MIH is open in the background, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's closed. But while it's open in the background, and this is just the normal messaging app on Android, you can see the message icon over here. If I click on the link app.mzansi-innovation-hub.co.za, which is the link to the web app, we click on it, it opens up MIH directly. It doesn't go to the web version, it opens up MIH. Let's go back again. Let's do the About MIH package. So we do the About, and it takes us to the About MIH inside MIH, inside the application itself. This is what deep linking is. I hope it's starting to look a little bit clearer on everyone's side. Then lastly, this information over here will be living inside the QR code that I just showed you. All right, you can scan that QR code on your side and you should get something not similar to this. You'll probably have localhost over there, but in production you'll have, or when in the live version, you should have the full web app link. So when we click on this, now look what happens. Takes you directly through to your business profile. So someone will be able to scan that QR code of yours and will be able to get in contact with you immediately, whether they have an MIH account or not. They'll be able to access your business profile. But they won't, like I said before, they won't be able to update, or they won't be able to add a review or update a review, and they won't be able to add you as a favorite bookmark. That features are hidden behind that features is hidden behind your MIH account. We do need that in order for you to proceed. Also, another feature that I did implement, let me know what you think about this. So what I was thinking is businesses, or I was thinking as if I'm a business, right? So I have MIH, and I want to display a QR code, or I want to add this QR code somewhere else in my marketing. What do I do? So I do have a download button over there. If we click on the download button, it does give you the QR code, but I'm not too sure if we should do that. Let me know in the chat what you think, if we should allow that, or should people just take screenshots of the application and jeopardize the system that way. I just made it a little bit easier because also this QR code is now behind the MIH brand, and I don't want blurry blurry QR codes all over the place. Sawubona Iki, nice to see you here. Nice to see you. So yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. Super cool, but let me show you what it looks like. So before we proceed, what do you guys think of the deep linking functionality that we just demonstrated? Do you think it's something useful? Do you think the user experience that it does achieve? Thank you so much for the 400 likes, Iki. We appreciate you. So yeah, let me know what you think of that, the new deep linking features. I think it's quite cool. I think it's quite cool. So yes, let me show you what it looks like when you have MIH closed. So I'm going to close MIH right now. You'll see I'll swipe it up. So it's now closed. If I go back to my links and click on this one over here that leads you to the business profile, you click on it. You see there's a blank screen that appears. We need to fix that, but then it takes you into MIH. So I was having a discussion with Gemini and DeepSeek, trying to figure out what's the issue, what's wrong, and it's something to do with our route right over here, and it's to do with our redirect route, right? So basically, what I think is happening, MIH home, what I think is happening is, or what Gemini has been telling me is, while it's waiting for all of this stuff to happen, specifically checking if you signed in or not, that's when that blank screen appears. But what should happen is we should take you to a splash screen. That splash screen will then take you to, or have like a loading indicator on the screen, and then it'll take you inside MIH, or to the home screen of MIH. So yeah, we can hook that up. Add a spinning service, 100%. Thank you so much, Menace to Society. We appreciate you. Yeah, that's exactly what we need to do. But so we are using GoRouter as our routing platform. I think that's what it's called, our router, and we are using some redirect. So we need to add a spinning indicator over here, but need to make it its own page of some sort, if that makes sense. So let's try and do that now. So let's review what Gemini was telling us. So for those that are here, I see it's flooding through right now. MIH is available if you'd like what we're working on. MIH is available on the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, and the web. All you have to do is search MIH or MIH app, and we should appear at the top of the list. But yes, let's see what Gemini was telling us. So I gave it my code over here. So you can see I gave it my router code, and then I gave it a little paragraph of what needs to happen. So they're basically telling me that Boy Kobo, thank you so much for the 100 likes. We appreciate you. So we need to have some sort of an initial or initialize app. So we need to have some sort of way to say, who was it that I was speaking to? I think it was DeepSeek. So DeepSeek was telling me over here, I need to do something like this. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. So this is what I think we need to do, right? We need to have a new, so yank, and then paste this below, and then find Shift H, CW, right? So we need to say MIH loading, right? MIH loading will be slash, and then MIH home will be insert home. Or should we call it MIH home? I think let's call it MIH home. Insert MIH dash home as our root. And then over here, command copy. And then under our initial root, we'll have this MIH loading part. And then we'll create a new root over here. So I'll yank this, paste it above. And then F capital A, CW. And then what we're going to do is MIH loading. Right? This is going to be the initial route that it takes you into. So we can say O. We don't just say O. We can just say yank 7 down, yank 7 down. And then paste it above here, delete. Cool. So instead of... So this one will be called MIH loading. Changes to loading. Yo, what's good? What's good over on Twitch? We appreciate you. Oyolu, thank you so much for joining us over on Twitch. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. I'm so happy to not see scammers on Twitch, if I'm being honest. There's always people trying to sell views and all those other garbage. But thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate you. So let us know how you found us. Lol. Don't laugh. There's permanently scammers, especially when you're on Twitch and Kick. There's scammers. Some thought I was a scammer. The struggles. That's why I was saying hello. So I even say hello to the scammers until I realized that they are scammers. But thank you for joining us. Where are you from? Oyolu. Where are you from? Let us know. Change inside word. MIH loading. Cool. And then I'm just scrolling through the software and gaming category. Perfect. From India. Perfect. Shout out to my Indian brothers and sisters over on Twitch. So I did switch over, so I'll give you some insight. I was on the just chatting section of Twitch, but then I was watching a video about someone saying that's the most, even though it has the most volume of people over there, it's the most cutthroat category to be on, because now you're fighting for attention with people who have thousands of viewers, and most people don't really click on people that have like 1 or 2 views. But we appreciate you. We are live on YouTube, Twitch, and Kick. You can follow us over there, and things can happen. One day I'm gonna know how to do this, let alone understand. Perfect. So true. Gray A Lewis 101 likes. We appreciate you, and thank you for diving into the chat. So you are saying one day I'm gonna know how to do this, let alone understand it. You see, check on the screen right now, Oyolu. Look, there's scam. Oh, you can't see, but scammers just came through with Twitch. But Gary, don't worry. I also didn't know much about anything that I'm doing right now, and we did just learn from scratch, watching YouTube videos. And plus with Gemini, followed my YouTube. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. And if you like the experience, we do have a mobile and a TV experience over on YouTube, if you like that. But thank you so much for the follow. We appreciate you. And let's see. And thank you so much for the follow on Twitch also. I see my numbers went up. Thank you. I must get the animations over there also. We appreciate you. So are you also a developer? Are there developers out there in the chat? As a fellow developer, no problem. We appreciate you. So let's do this loading thing. So I have a loading screen. Then the loading screen will take me. So this needs to change. Let's change this to a scaffold. And then the body. And then something like this. But instead of this loading indicator, what we're going to do is, let's delete that. Yo, nearly 1,000 likes, Iki. We appreciate you. MIH loading circle. So now, what should happen is what should happen is when I come in, it should show the loading indicator. Thank you so much for the follow. Who was that? I missed your thingy. BK. Thank you so much, BK, for the follow. We appreciate you. And thank you so much for sharing the live. DSA. Thank you so much for the follow. We appreciate you. And yeah, so what I'm thinking is going to happen, Flutter developers out there, let me know if you use Go Router. So it should come into the initial route over here and then show the loading indicator because it's going to come and display this stuff. Oh, I'm not sure. It's so hard to code games. Very interesting. So there is a member of Mzansi, Nkosi. Thank you so much for the follow. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. So yeah, it is kind of hard to fix UI things, but it's also because we are new to Go Router, if I'm being honest. And Go Router does confuse me sometimes because I was using the standard built-in one with Flutter. But we'll get there. We'll get there. We'll get there. So let's see. What we need to do is let's just run MIH and see what happens. So let's run MIH. And then we'll look to see whatever issues happen, then it will guide us from there. It will guide us from there with the different things. So stop. Let's rerun it. So now it's starting MIH from scratch and it should take us through to the loading indicator. Wait. Yeah, should take us through to the loading indicator. So here, okay, it's looking good so far. Loading indicator. I think it's just going to show this forever, which I did expect. That I did expect. Let me see. I got my game in beta right now. It works well so far. So this is from Oyolu from Twitch. So he's saying he has a game, or I have a game, or I got my game in beta right now. It's working well so far. I plan on the next update tomorrow morning, I hope. Cool. What's your game? What's your website? Leave it in the chat. We can look it on the screen right now. And while you are bringing that out to me, let me tell you what, or let's hear what MIH is all about. Like I said, MIH is short for Mzansi Innovation Hub. And we are the first super app of Mzansi. Perfect. We're going to check it out now. I'm copying it. Copy link address. So it's the first super app of Mzansi, and it provides you with multiple different features. But if you'd like to know what's it all about, you can ask Mzansi the question, our friendly AI assistant. What is MIH all about in one paragraph? Let me switch audios also. And then for those that are new out here, we can also listen to see what MIH is all about. Sorry, I'm just switching audios. Once it's done loading, so it thinks a bit. Once it's done loading, you can click on the menu button and click on read aloud. Let's listen.
Hey there, waving hand. MIH is basically the super app of Mzansi, designed to make your personal and business life way easier. Think of it as a one-stop shop. It's a platform built by the Mzansi Innovation Hub to help you manage everything from your professional profile and team details to scheduling appointments, storing loyalty cards in your digital wallet, and even doing quick calculations like tips and forex. We've got features like a patient manager for medical practices, a directory to find people and businesses across South Africa, and of course, me, Mzansi AI, here to answer your questions and lend a hand. Basically, MIH aims to streamline your life, making things more efficient and connected. Smiling face with smiling eyes and rosy cheeks.
Thank you so much, Mzansi AI. And little new Sankyo. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but little new. I see little new is out here on YouTube. And MIH, so that's what MIH is all about. We can list the different features, but you can see it on the screen right now. So I see colon. Colon is asking us, the voice has improved a lot. I used it before and the voice sounded like a robot. So thank you so much for that shout out, colon. And so how the voice does work is we are using Flutter TTS, so Flutter text to speech. And I hope, Lil New, I did answer your question. So we are using Flutter TTS, right? And my understanding of Flutter TTS is it does use the text-to-speech models embedded inside the phone to bring you the voice, right? So it differs from device to device. Whoa, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And the reason why Oyolu, the reason why I brought that up is speaking about the Mzansi directory. So you can see this little logo over here. When you click on it, this is a place to find people and businesses of Mzansi. And let's say you're a game development company, right? So you can click on the filter button and you can look at the different businesses that are out there. And you can see that we have clothing companies, we have logistics companies, we have online hub. Hectic. This is someone new. Let's check it out. Easy IT support. Shout out Easy IT support. We appreciate you. Yo, and they even have 4 stars right now. Love it. Good website. Love it. Love it. Love it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. We'll check out. So, Oyolu, I would really love to set up your business on the Mzansi directory. Remember, we are free. I recently built Mzansi charades using Flutter 2. Perfect. Let us know if it's out on the Google Play Store and we can check it out. But let's check out accept them cookies. You see cheap followers on Streamboo. Come on. Come on, scammers. This is quite cool. This is someone's tech hub. We appreciate you, Easy IT support. But yeah, we would love your game business to be there. But let's check out your link. What kind of game is it? Is it a... idle RPG? Hit play. Run. This is cool. Please, let's make this full screen. Please feel free to download MIH and put your business on there. We would love that. We would really love that. We would really love that. But let's see. Character name, Yaso the Beast. That's my gamer name. Yaso the Beast. Start journey. Select sword, of course. If I could download it, I would. Oh, it's okay. We're also on the web, so you can check us out on the web. So, not a problem. Mzansi Charades is available on all Apple App Store. Cool. You must let us know, colon, how you got it on the app gallery. You must definitely let us know. Shout out for the ×3 roses, colon. Shout out, shout out. So let's start the journey. And drop us so I'll check on the Google Play Store. So it's preparing our game. Perfect. Oyolu, what language did you use to create this game? Because this is quite cool also. English. No, I mean like Java, sorry. No stress, no stress. Yeah, we also use English over here. But yes, Java. That's impressive. And it's just running on the web. Super impressive, super impressive. So yeah, if you had the MIH account, people could easily access this, your sandbox over here. So we'll definitely be adding my business though too. Thank you so much, colon, for going to add your business. Let's see. Interesting. So the green bar at the bottom is the auto battle journey. Why is I don't know if it's me, but it's not resizing so nicely. I don't know how else to thingy this. I'm so sorry, the people on YouTube. We are trying to sort things out. Let's minimize it a bit. Oh, UI problems right now. That's fine. That's fine. Let's see. Equip coming soon. Evolve shop. Super cool. And is this going to be like just a normal web game, or you're going to get it on like Steam or on the other platforms? Battle in progress. 2,500 likes, Iki. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. For App Gallery, you just need an APK. Hectic. No secret things. Colon, shout out. It's on one platform right now, which is in itch.io. Interesting. I don't know what that is. But wait. Colon, what's your name? Or should we just keep calling you colon? So I'm definitely going to add it to my book of work. Uh, New Huawei app gallery. App gallery. App gallery upload. APK. APK. So there's no special Android things, APK. No special Android things that you have to hook up over here. Like in the manifest file and all of that. So it's just do your APK file instead of your AAB file, and then that's it. Oh, oh, I have some pets over here. Now active. Fire is now active. Very interesting. Oyolu, I definitely like the game, like what it's looking like what it's all about. But I feel like we need a young tutorial over here. Remember, I told you about the APK. Yeah, you did tell me about the APK. Jay, you definitely did. So the reason why I was hesitant about that is because I was following the instructions on the Huawei App Gallery stuff, and they did advise that you need to do some other background things before creating the APK. No, nothing at all. Just run Flutter build. Hectic. Release. Hectic. And place it there. Cool. We're definitely gonna hook it up. And I'm sure you must be following me, Colon. If you are following me, then I'll try and DM you. And we can, if I'm running into any issues, then I'll hook you up and I'll hit you up. But cool. This is a cool game. I definitely would love a tutorial to understand how to play it a little bit better. Because I did see that auto battle stuff. But I've been working on this game for a couple of days now. Only days. Hectic. Yo, there's some crazy people out here. Shout out Oyolu. W's in the chat for Oyolu. W's in the chat, guys. W's in the chat. A couple of days and you already have a game up and running. Did you vibe code this? There's no discrimination against vibe coding. Just let us know if you vibe coded it because this is quite cool. Let's go to that website. Since the 6th. That's only 3 days. Even more impressive. Let's go to this website that you told us about. Oh, and your game is living on here. Definitely vibe coded. But it's impressive if it is vibe coded. Impressive. Let's check out Mzansi Charades on the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, and the App Gallery. Shout out. Shout out. I think I did. Either I saw your a video about you or something. Vibe coded. So yeah, this is Oyolu's website or game. So that's vibe coding, Jay. I'm not sure if you're asking what vibe coding is, but vibe coding is when you just chat with the AI and you start creating some things. Shout out, shout out. 1K. Love it, love it, love it. Sorry, I'm doing nonsense over here. Shout out. We must make a young clip for you. But you must, what you must do is you must get onto the Mzansi directory, and then once you're on the Mzansi directory, we'll make a young clip for you. Also, AI helps you create it. So, okay, Jay will get into your question also, what vibe coding is all about. I think since the 6th, some of the code, yes. I don't game was approved yet because... Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Put it on there a couple of hours ago. Yo, 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 what's good over on Kick? E2 Infinity, thank you so much for the follow. We appreciate you. W Stream, definitely W Stream. What's it? Taylor. You should post your stream on, oh my word, another scammer. Another scammer on Kick. I'm definitely going to put the Kick chat up on the screen so that you can all see the different scammers out here. So Jay will jump into vibe coding, but yeah, Mzansi Charades, 1K downloads, impressive, impressive. So let's read what it's all about. I'm lazy too. Yo, and different languages too. Appreciate you. Let's listen to what's it all about.
Mzansi Charades brings the spirit of South African culture to life through a fast-paced, hilarious guessing game that's perfect for game nights, parties, or any social hangout. Inspired by classic charades but infused with local flavor, players must act out words and phrases, from township slang to South African celebrities, foods, TV shows, and everyday phrases, while their team tries to guess correctly before time runs out. Whether you're shouting clues in Venda, isiZulu, Afrikaans, or English, Mzansi Charades is designed for all South Africans to enjoy together, across languages and backgrounds. With multiple categories, easy controls, and a vibe that feels proudly Mzansi, it's the ultimate game to break the ice, test your acting skills, and get everyone laughing. Download it, pick a category, place the phone on your forehead, and let the fun begin.
Shout out Mzansi Charades. It's definitely a party game. I'll definitely download it on my phone if it can handle it. If my phone can handle it. So, Oyolu, we're gonna jump into your code now, but let's answer Jay's question. Landing page for the app. Whoa, even a website. Come on, you need to be in the Mzansi directory. We need some game studios over there on the Mzansi directory. We definitely need some game studios over on the Mzansi directory. What's happening? Not secure. So I don't think it should have HTTPS then. Delete. Not secure. But it's bad. Landing page for the app is this. Wrong URL. No problem, no problem, no problem. You can give us the correct one and then we can hook it up over here. But yeah, definitely if you're on the Mzansi directory, we'll definitely give you a shout out over here. Let's go. So Jay, what is vibe coding? So let's go to the famous vibe coding website called Lovable AI. So remember, I think a while ago I was telling you what Lovable is all about and how those influencers don't really show you the website and what it looks like. So let's go to Lovable. And so this is it. It's just normal coding. So it's not normal coding. It's like normal, just prompting. So let's say create a type your website in here. Type your website in here. Yeah, he did, but it's charades with a D over there. Oh, okay. It's with a D. Let's check out with the D. Charade. Perfect. Shout out. This is perfect. I'll show you another example of someone's landing page which is like this. Thank you so much, Jay. But let's go to, let me go to, I think it's under software. And yeah, UX Corp. Lovely, UX Corp. So if we go to UX Corp's website, it's very similar to what yours looks like. So this is Quotes. He hasn't been on in a minute, but this is Quotes' website to build healthy habits that stick. And so if we come over to your website, Charade, add words, cool. W quotes, definitely W quotes. Definitely W quotes. And shout out for all of the likes. I see we're sitting on 8,000 likes so far. We appreciate you. So unleash the fun. Okay. Get. Install. Installing it right now. Category trivia. Shout out for the 6 roses. We appreciate you. Install. Done. Nice. Then we can have a look at it over here since it's on iOS also. Thanks for the love. Yeah, there's always love over here in the MIH lives. Shout out. Check out Mzansi Charades if you like party games. So, get started. Select a category. Cool. Yeah. This is dope. Let's try and do some things. We must all do it together in the chat. Let me know what categories we should do. So the categories over here are authors, beverages, actors, books, brands. Let's do some brands. Right? So, okay. I see the ad. Let me know also, how did you get your ad to load so quickly? Because mine takes forever to load. I see yours is on the ball. Immediately it's loading. So let us know in the chat. So from fashion to fast food, guess the brand that shaped our world. Our world. Let's see who the ultimate logo guru is. Start game. Place on forehead. Oh. Okay. It's because I'm using it on a Mac. It's because I'm using it on a Mac. It's definitely for thingy. I used my wallet today and it loaded quite quickly. Nice. You know what? I think it's because my phone. I don't have. Thank you so much for letting us know, Jay. So Jay is saying that I'm Monica, a passionate gamer. Cool. There's someone else in the chat over on Kick. I see you. I'm gonna answer your question now. So Jay is saying that he used the Mzansi wallet today. That's where we have ads. So I'll show you it right now. So let's minimize this, minimize this, minimize this. So I'll show you what that looks like right now. Let's open up MIH. And we can do it from a link now because we are cool like that. I can't show you now because we did nonsense. But there is ads when you open up the Mzansi wallet. And Jay is saying it opens up quite quickly on his side, quite quick today, which is interesting. And you know what I think it might be? So my phone doesn't have Vuyo. Thank you so much for the follow. My phone doesn't have 5G. It just has the regular 4G or LTE. So maybe that could be the reason why, but I'm not sure. There must be different techniques that we can do. Different techniques. So I'm Monicats, a passionate gamer. This is coming from Twitch. Not Twitch, Kick, sorry, Kick. I'm Monica, GTG, got to go, see ya, G. Okay. I'm going to try fix the problem, no problem. And let us know if you can download MIH on your side or just use the web version. And if so, then load your website over there. Then we can hook it up and give you a shout out over here also. That's why. Thank you so much, Oyolu, for joining us. So, Mubarak88. Can you please give me the link? Perfect. I'll drop the link now in the chat. And let us know what the experience is like over on your side. Let's go back. Copy, and I'll send it over here. Paste. Shout out Oyolu. We appreciate you. So there's someone over on Kick. Shout out for a real person. I'm Monicats, a passionate gamer who loves this game. I'd love to team up. Oh my word, this is also a scammer. There's so many scammers over there and they use so many different techniques to try and get you. Imagine. So yes, it depends on the network. I have voice over LTE. Okay, cool. Thanks, Jay. And then I also see what my problem is. So Colon over here is saying that I load ads using provider. How long is the loading screen? So it does, the first open, it does take some time, like a couple of seconds, but thereafter it should be quick. That's a Flutter issue on my side. My bad, Oyolu. My apologies. But if it doesn't work, no problem. When you join the next time, we'll try and debug it for you. Okay, all good. Perfect. Ntwana, thank you so much for the follow. We appreciate you. It works. Appreciate you. So I see Colon is saying that he does use provider as to load the ads on the app. That gets them from the appropriate screen. Perfect. So that's the thing. So what we were working on, Colon, is we were doing deep linking first and sorting out a new router. Thereafter, our next step is to sort out provider, because I do see it as a powerful tool, and currently state management is using hopes and dreams right now. So let's see what we're supposed to do over here. So if I'm signed in, and I think you know what we need to do over here, the unauthorized, we need to yank this, paste it below, www.cw MIH loading. And let's see what happens now. So let's close this and let's reload the application. So is this loading right now? Let us know if there's any questions out there about MIH, about your own projects. If you're a business owner, we can show you the Mzansi directory and we can give some people some shout outs, because I see things are definitely improving out here. Because I saw there was a software development company over here. Perfect. So we sorted now. So now let's see what happens when we use our deep linking when it's closed. So let's close this. Let's go to this one over here. So it still shows up like that. I think I know what the issue is. It's definitely my GIF. You see it does? Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to fix it in another update. What should it show? Okay, Jay, so I'm thinking it should show like a loading indicator on the screen. Or let's do this to see if it's actually working instead of... So, okay. Let me answer your question first. Is there any questions that I must know? Let me answer your question first, Jay. So what I'm thinking, this only happens when MIH is completely closed and you open one of the links over here, right? So let's say I scan a QR code, it takes me to this link, I click on it, and then over here, it should show like something to show us that MIH is loading and the application is not broken. Even though it's only a few seconds right now, it shouldn't be like that. It should have something showing you like this is what's happening. So we can easily do that over here. I think because I'm using the loading indicator, it does take some time to load this one. So let's delete around word. Delete. So what we will add is insert a column. Inside that column, you know what, maybe I should just have a normal indicator. Maybe we should just have a normal indicator. Okay, so we have that. Let's rerun the application so that it can reinstall things for us. So yeah, it should have some sort of indicator over there showing us that MIH is loading and it's getting your information. It should have something like, let's see. It's loading. Okay, it's still loading. Come on now. Hectic, why is it loading like this? I see we nearly reached our goal of 10 roses. We appreciate you. Something fishy is happening right now. Okay, now it... What is all of this things over here? 3,000 likes, Jay. We appreciate you. Let's reload this and see what happens. Let's close it. I don't know if you're able to find my account. Oh, you're still here. Oh my business. Let us know. We'll reload. And what's it called? Nice. We appreciate you. Let's check it out. Nice. Gaming company. Shout out. Alpha kept. We appreciate you. 1,380. Hi, what is this? It's 13,847 kilometers away from us. Shout out. When we click on it, to create a game for the ones without the fun, love it. You can call, email, navigate, visit them. Oh yeah, your website over here, you can just add your link over there. But you are here. Thank you so much for creating the MIH account. We do appreciate you. Is it me or MIH takes time to load in the web? Definitely, it does take some time to load on the web version. And that's because we do have a... Let me show you quickly. Let's inspect element and go to console. Let's clear all of this. But thank you so much. Where would I put my link? Okay, let's answer that question before we go. So what you would do is under your business profile, when you're editing, so you can go and edit your business profile. And there's it over here, business. So you can scroll down, there's some information over there, but business website. You can just put your link over there and then update your profile. Once it's updated, then the link will appear on our side. But thank you so much for creating your account. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. So let's go into the console section for us. Let's go back. So, and I'm going to reload MIH from the beginning. This is Colon's question about why MIH loads up so slow. When you initially set it up, your account is set up cache. Yeah. So Jay is correct in saying all of that. Okay, done. Perfect. We're going to check you out now. So when you reload, this is the stuff over here. So I have a service worker checking what version you're on and if you're on the correct version. So you can see it says this is the version and it checks what the latest version is. If it's the incorrect version, then it gets you the new version automatically instead of you clearing your cache and then reloading MIH from the beginning. So that's why it does take some time to load. But let's check out Alphabet. Alpha kept, sorry. Bookmark business. Shout out. Website. Nice. And this is the coding one that you put there. Cool. Interesting. So this is all your code. You must put the link to just the output section. Alpha kept, complete rewrite, start journey button. Oh, this is cool. Shout out Alpha kept. We appreciate you. Yeah, perfect. And how was the onboarding experience, Alpha kept? Let us know. How do you see other businesses? Perfect. So I'm loving the questions. So if you'd like to see other businesses, so go to the MIH home, 3,800 likes, Jay. We appreciate you. It's good so far. Thank you so much. So there's a question from Boykobo. He's asking us, how do we see other businesses? So when you first open up MIH, you will see and create an account, of course. You will see Mzansi directory. So this icon over here, you can click on it. And then it will take you to a place where you can search for people and businesses of Mzansi. You can then, if you don't know the name of the business that you want to search for, what you can do is fixed it. Perfect. Thank you. What you can do is you can click on the down arrow or the filter button and it'll give you a drop down. You can click on that drop down and it'll give you a list of all the different types of businesses that are available over here. Like let's go back to Alpha Kept, which is a gaming business. Let's see. Games, right? So we click on games, click on search, and there's Alpha Kept over there. So that's how you search for the different businesses inside Mzansi. And we can click on it and visit your new website now. Perfect. Yeah, this is the one. Then you can click run. Nice. And then, yeah, so the beast is there. Perfect. Shout out. Alpha Kept. For the ones without the fun. Perfect. Shout out Alpha Kept. Another member of Mzansi from India who just created their business account and added it to the business directory. Their mission and vision for their business is to create games for the ones without fun. We appreciate you. You can call, email, navigate, visit their website, rate them, and add them to your bookmarks. And also, we can also rate them. Cool. We appreciate you. So Boykobo, I hope that helps you answering your question. Thank you so much, Hans Khans. Thank you so much for the follow. We appreciate you. Remember, guys, MIH is available on the Google Play Store. Oh, sorry. On the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, and the web. All you have to do is search MIH or the MIH app and we'll appear at the top of the list. Download it right now, create your account, profile added, perfect. What's your business's name? Let us know. We can also give you a shout out today. Oh, you know what? You don't tell us your business. We're gonna find you through the directory itself. For my picture and the business updated, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Shout out to all the people creating MIH accounts right now. Games, search. Nice. And it's a whole GIF. And I didn't even know MIH can handle such things. Perfect, perfect, perfect. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. Look how cool this looks. Damn, that looks cool. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. And thank you for stress testing the system, creating crazy things over here for us. That's quite cool. I didn't even know it's would happen like that. Online hub. Is it? It can't be under games. Let us know what your business name is. Colon. Education. Shout out. There's even someone from education over here. Is this you? Hectic. The Mzansi directory is booming lately. Every single day we come onto the live, there's new businesses that we find. SQA Ninja's mission is to bridge the gap between learning and practice by empowering software testers with mentorship, hands-on projects, and modern automation skills to become job-ready professionals who deliver real value. Shout out SQA Ninja. You can call them, email them, navigate to them, and visit their website. Let's do that right now. SQA Ninja. Yo, this is amazing. I don't know how I can portray this to you, how my heart is feeling right now. This is quite cool. Empowering your journey in software testing. SQA Ninjas. 1.5 thousand happy students, 3 experienced educators. WStream, definitely WStream. If you're a scammer, we still appreciate you over on Kick. We still appreciate you. We still appreciate you. And Oyolu, please tell your friends about MIH. There's many different features out there. Let them in India know what it's all about, and if it's cool, shout out. So, 6 online courses. Expert, sorry, TikTok's asking me if I'm not a will do. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We do appreciate you. Expert instructions, smart solutions. Top categories, ISTQB Foundation, SQA Basics, manual testing. This is cool. Shout out SQA. Shout out, shout out, shout out. So many new businesses on the Mzansi directory. Is that someone that just followed? Oh, it's Fresh King. Fresh King, nice to see you here. Nice to see you again. Let's go back. I'll go back in and see what's there. Oh, that's your business. Nice, ad tech. I was checking you out yesterday. Nice. You must add a nice profile picture over there. Cubic 3D. Shout out Cubic 3D. Cubic 3D transforms rides into meaningful engagement by delivering immersive, measurable in-car advertising, connecting brands with passengers, empowering drivers, and building Africa's leading smart mobility media platform. Shout out Cubic 3D. Perfect. Yes, I did see this yesterday. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Your digital advertising journey starts here. Whether you want to advertise, drive, or manage your fleet, we've got you covered. So get started. Log in to portal to track your application. New to Cubic, submit application to begin your journey. Perfect. Welcome to Cubic 3D. Unifying management portal for all your needs. Existing login, new application, track application, new application. Application type, a driver, fleet owner, agency portal, advertiser portal. Advertiser portal. Yeah, you weren't on the live yesterday. We did discover you yesterday, and I was just as happy as I am right now seeing it. Profile required. Profile picture. Let's see what picture I can put. Downloads. Deep linking. Nice. ID number, hectic. Hectic. I'll edit my ID number later. Date of birth, today. Select gender, male. Nice. Tax number. Company type. It's PTY Ltd. There's still more work to be done. Don't worry, don't worry. We love testing things out here on MIH. Copy, or let's go back. Copy. Ah, it's even auto over here. Nice. Contact person, Yasin Meth. Contact title, founder. Yo, there's so many things that are required over here. Hectic. Hectic. I must do this offline. Got my PPP, of course, done for my company to be. Okay, let's check it out. Thank you so much, Cubic 3D. We appreciate you for taking Mzansi into the future when it comes to advertising. Let's go to games again. Alpha Cat. So what are you saying? Got my PTP OFC done for my company to, hold on. Okay, my bad. Maybe I didn't click update. It could be a UX problem. Where is colon over there? What's your business? Did you activate your business profile? What? Let's see, tech. No. Not swimming lessons. Software solutions. Digital next code. Software. Netloom. Is it this one over here? Pulse Orbit. Create software that solves real problems. Oh, they don't have a website, Pulse Orbit. That's okay. Software. Yeah, we're on software right now. SaaS. Sales Swift, nice. Photography. Shout out JC Photo Booth in the chat right now. Other. I don't think anyone will choose other, but yeah, these are just legacy stuff, I guess. SaaS, photography, online hub. We just saw online hub now. IT support. No code platform, education, entertainment. I think I'm entertainment. Yeah. We entertainment over here. It's trying to be approved RQ. Hold on, no problem. We'll check it out. Games. Interesting. IT. So many different companies on, and also, of course, our clothing and printing company. Shout out Culture Apparel. We appreciate you. Your Twitch is just full of a whole lot of scammers. Advertising. This is beautiful. Cubic 3D, who is that? Boy Kobo, you must add a nice profile picture for your company. There's a logo over here. Where is it? Back to login. This logo over here would be cool in the Mzansi directory also. Just to differentiate you, because we just put a I don't know picture over here. I'm still waiting. I just made this though too. Okay, no problem. So Cubic 3D, you must add a nice profile picture over here for us. Then it can be super cool over there. 5,000 likes, Jay. We appreciate you. Yeah, I'll do that. Thanks. We appreciate it. Let's get back over here. So what we were doing is, if we come here, let's reload the app and see what happens. I like your work, man. Thank you so much. We do appreciate you. Our goal is, let's head over to my business. I haven't showed you my business yet. So let's go to technology and go to Mzansi Innovation Hub. So obviously we're the creators of the MIH app. We are digitizing Mzansi one process at a time. and making sure that no one is left behind in this digital revolution, right? So we are trying to connect the different people and businesses of Mzansi together. Shout out Alpha Kept. Shout out, shout out. This picture is very nice. We appreciate it. We appreciate it. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Very cool, very cool. So let's see, is our thing open? Nice, it is open. So now what we have to do is close this. Thank you so much, everyone, for creating your accounts, for setting up your business accounts, adding it to the Mzansi directory, and sharing your work with us. We appreciate each and every one of you. Let's open up this. And let's see. Yeah, so that thing is still there. So clearly something is going wrong over here. Clearly something is not right. So it's coming in. Something is definitely not right here. I'm just copying code over here. Don't mind me. Oh, paste. We'll just see what that code does. We'll remove it. Yeah, sublock. What is that? What did I just do? Nah. What did I just do? Undo. State. Try importing. Yeah, this code is definitely not the thing. So I guess it's not super important right now, right? What do you think of that screen that appears over there? It does annoy me a little bit because it looks like MIH is not working. It does look like MIH is not working when you click on it. You see? So I am a little bit wary about it. You know what? Let's ask Gemini the question. Let's ask Gemini the question. So we'll ask Gemini for some help. And we'll see what Gemini has to say. I want to copy the same prompt. Copy. New chat. Paste this in. Send. Let's see what Gemini is going to say for us right now. So let's see. It's still thinking right now. So basically I'm telling Gemini what my problem is. There's a blank screen that happens. So why the blank screen appears is this, your code. Okay. How to show the loading screen. Introducing a loading state. Okay, top level, redirect configure, redirect function, call router check, use top level. And you see they're telling us to use a router. Yeah, they're telling us use router. Oh, not router, provider. Can I do it without provider? Without provider. I'm sorry things slow down now, but it's okay. Let us know if you have any questions out here. Got to go. Thank you so much for joining. I hope to see you tomorrow. We are live Monday to Thursday at 7 p.m. South African time. I think it's around 10 p.m. Indian time, but looking forward to seeing you there tomorrow. We appreciate you. Okay, let's see. copy. Paste. Future deep link data. Let's see where that deep link data comes from. Oh, future deep link data. Yeah, this is fetching data. Got to go. Have a great evening. Thank you so much, Jay. We do appreciate you. Yeah, we're gonna wrap things up soon anyway, but thank you. We do appreciate you for joining the live this evening. Yeah, so I think I'll try and handle this tomorrow. I'll try and handle this tomorrow, the rest of the stuff. But yeah, the Mzansi directory is growing. I appreciate each and every one of you. Who was that? Colon, if you're still here, let us know what your company name is or what category it falls under, and we can search for it and find it over there. We appreciate you. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, Lindo, for the follow. Let's flip the screen and let's wrap things up. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining the MIH Live this evening. We do appreciate each and every one of you for attending, for participating, for sharing, liking, chatting, all of the above. We appreciate each and every one of you. Like I said, we are live Monday to Thursday. So if you enjoy the MIH Live, you can check us out tomorrow. And we'll continue a thing. And I think most of the stuff will be done with the deep linking part. And yeah, like, subscribe, follow on all our different platforms. We are live on YouTube, Twitch, and Kick. So and TikTok. So you can follow us on any of those platforms and you can enjoy the MIH Live experience. The experience is way better on the other platforms. And if you'd like, we do have a mobile version. If you like holding your phone and watching the live, we do have a mobile version over on YouTube also. So thank you so much. Also, if you'd like to support us even further than you already are, what you can do is you can subscribe to us on TikTok and become a premium member of Mzansi through our Patreon. That unlocks beta testing for you. That unlocks our private Discord server. It unlocks hangouts, monthly hangouts with us, and shout outs also. So we'll have something on the live screens that will give you a shout out. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining the live this evening. We do appreciate each and every one of you. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe, all those nice things, and let's keep working hard, Mzansi.